Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the life and career of one of the most remarkable figures in motorsports, Alexis DeJoria. If you're into drag racing or just love stories of determination and success, then this one's for you. Cut to a picture of Alexis DeJoria from her younger years. Born on September 24th, 1977, Venice Beach, California, Alexis DeJoria's journey to becoming a top-tier drag racer was anything but traditional. Raised in a family with a deep connection to the entertainment industry, her father is John Paul DeJoria, co-founder of the Paul Mitchell hair care brand. Alexis could have easily gone down a different path, but her passion for motorsports took over. Cut to a clip of a drag racing event or footage of Alexis DeJoria on the track. Although her father was a successful businessman, Alexis had a different dream. She wanted to race. She started her motorsport journey in the world of NHRA, National Hot Rod Association, in 2005, initially participating in sportsman-level drag racing events. But it wasn't long before she made her way into the professional ranks. Cut to a clip of Alexis winning a race or an action during a race. By 2011, Alexis made history by joining the NHRA Funny Car Division, a move that would place her among the very best. In 2014, she earned a major milestone, becoming the first woman in history to drive a car sponsored by a major alcohol brand. And just a few years later, in 2015, she claimed her first funny car win at the NHRA Winter Nationals, cementing her place as a racing legend. Cut to images of Alexis with her family or celebrating a victory. Outside of racing, Alexis is just as driven. She's married to Jesse James, the famed TV personality and motorcycle builder, and the two share a passion for high-performance vehicles. But beyond her personal life, Alexis is admired for breaking barriers in a traditionally male-dominated sport. Her perseverance has paved the way for future generations of female drivers. Cut to a clip of Alexis smiling, waving to fans, or interacting with the crowd. Alexis DeJoria's legacy goes beyond her victories on the track. She's a trailblazer, showing that with grit, determination, and a lot of heart, anyone can achieve their dreams, no matter where they start. Whether she's racing in the funny car or working on expanding her personal brand, Alexis continues to inspire both fans and fellow athletes alike. Post appears back on screen. So, there you have it. The amazing story of Alexis DeJoria, a fearless competitor who has left an undeniable mark on drag racing. What do you think? Will we see more of her victories in the future? Let us know in the comments below. Post smiles, giving a thumbs up. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Catch you next time.